Hello, how to make a stock watch list for swing trading. We already have our list of stocks that we like to narrow the size to a stock watch list that we can trade in 2025, and they are upward large cap stocks. We are using a maximum chart to analyze them, and we want the price where the price is to be above prior year highs. The highs are just the mountain that you can easily locate the peak of those mountains. You are comparing it to where the price is. Where the price is going to be shaded, whether in green or red. Does not really matter the color. If the price is below any prior year high, we take it out of the list that we are creating. 2024 is the last bracket here. The dotted line are the years. We have the years at the bottom, the axis, and we have the price on the Y. And my mouse is creating the axis and the Y as well. So we have our long list here that we are narrowing down, and the next one is going to be AOS. For more of this video, will you please check the description. We have a playlist, tarot playlist, swing trading, and you should be able to find those videos there. So the price is here below this high. This high is another year, therefore it is out, and I'm going to take this one out for the simple reason that we analyzed it already, because it's a part of our existing watch list, as well as RSG. So let's take those out. The next one is ROL. ROL, the price is here above prior year highs. We keep it, and we can just turn it blue, and maybe we should pin this here. If you actually know how to pin something. So this one, yeah, definitely didn't pin it. Okay. And now it just make it too huge, or maybe we don't need to pin. The next one is PWR. And PWR needs, the price is there, prior year mountain are below. Is a keeper, and that is a clean chart there. In fact, when I'm coming across those clean chart, I will have in mind adding something to it. So let's make it bold. This one, I believe we already have it in our watch list. We take it out. AME as well. So EMR, the price is right there above prior year peak. We will keep it. Don't really like this trend in a way that prior year highs can be higher than current year start things. Do you see? Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Do you see this high here is above this high tapped in? So I'm not a big fan of it, and it's more a common thing for this stock, because you can see this high here is above this area. I'm not a big fan of it. It happened here as well. So let's see what year is this. I don't like doing that. 2010 is more like crisis time. These stocks tend to do well during crisis time. Now in 2020, I don't know if I had to brainstorm on a chart like that. If you have been watching the video that we recorded already to make the watch list, I don't really dwell on a chart like that. If I'm going to be dwelling on a chart, wondering things it is a sign that that chart should not be in it, in my opinion, because it is a problematic chart that is going to make us keep wondering things during the year. Do you see this? I don't know, I came across few like that made through just because the price is about prior year, but it was not quite a current, like often repetition for 1 year to be higher than future years in the past, both in the past. But I'm not going to let this pass through. It is an upward trend, yes, but the thing is, 3 years here is going up, but because it went so up here, it took a while to come down from that high before it went again. Yeah, it's not going to make the car. If we are going to spend that much time analyzing a chart, is out. Okay, so this one is it. ODFL. Okay, so the price is here, make it things easier for us. Below multiple highs is out. Okay, this let's copy here. Is that what we copy? The price is here below prior year highs, so it's out. UNP. The price is here below this year high, is out. CNI. The price is below these prior years highs. Like, do you see those mountains? When the price is below, the price is well below those years, out. CX, is it that? The price is below prior year highs, is out. NSC, let's see here, that's what we have. Yeah. Uh-oh. The price is here below prior year highs, is out. Okay, HON. HON, the price is crossing these highs here, is out. And again, these highs is higher than those years. I'm not a fan of those things. I want to see the oblique going on, but it's out. Cats, let's take more than one. The next few, we analyzed them already. They are in our existing swing trading watch list. So let's take them out of here because we analyzed them and some of them made it to our list already. PH is in our list as well, got analyzed already. So let's take this one. The price is below prior year highs, is out, but it's barely there though, but it's out. DOV, the price is above prior year high, so is a keeper. Okay, let's try this one. The price is crossing, oh, this is 2024, so that will be fine, but let's see, the price is crossing 2023 high, so it's out. The one below it, hold on, we have it already in our list, so let's take them out of here, as well as this one we have it in our list, so let's take it out of here. And ADP, so ADP, the price is about prior year's highs, so we keep it. The next one is J. So J, the price is about prior year high, so we keep it. Those swings quite a bit though. Those, okay, so we have some here already that we have in our list. You know what, I'm not using this much, so we can just, so this one, ooh, look at that. Okay, we have them in our watch list already, so they are out of there for now, and some of them made a car when we analyze them, so there is no point of analyzing them again. AMD, so AMD, the price is here below this year mountain peak, is out. ADI, the price is about prior year mountain, is in. The next one, the price is above prior year mountain, but this stock is kind of new though, because the far it can give us is what, 2001. What was I thinking, living in it though? But yeah, 2001. Oh, okay, I mean that'll make sense if I'm carrying the line at 2008. Anything that went public after 2008 is not going to be included. This will have made that car, but the price is higher than prior year high, so it made a car here. Just not a fan of the year, just find it kind of young, and I don't like to swing through young companies stocks unless it's a stock that I'm familiar with, like I buy the product or it's very known company. Okay, so the price is here below those highs, so it's out. Okay, so this one we already have it. We will take them out of here. Let's copy this. Okay, the price is here. It crossed other years, so it's out. Sorry Adobe, but now CRM, the price is above prior year highs. Ooh. I don't like it when, anyway, well, he made the car, so let's see into. So the price is where the price is here, crossing that one, is out. I believe this one, let me see, go to the S. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so we can just take it from here down there. We have in fact a rope as well. We have them in our existing watch list, so we can take them out of here because we will have analyzed it already. CRM, I don't know if I did CRM already or not. Yeah, I did CRM. I just didn't remove the ink. CYL. The price is above prior year high, so is in. So this one, let's make it blue. The next one, we already have it in our existing watch list. I don't know if he made a car, but if he did make a car, chances that we already analyzed it in our video, our previous video already, so we don't need to repeat it here. The same things will go to this one. We already analyzed it in a previous video. And again, our videos related to swing trading are going to be in the playlist swing trading. So this one, the price is here. Again, it's crossing prior year high, so it's out. Barely crossable. It's out. You can see how some of them barely failed that filter. So you can use your best judgment when you are filtering, you are doing those things. You can use your best judgment while you make exception of what you want. Things like that. This is the price here. Again, it's crossing some of those, so it's out. The price is here, is really flirting with this one, so it's out. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to continue the analysis in another video. Thank you.